If you are using React Native CLI and don't know how to generate an APK, don't worry. You can build an APK in just 3 simple steps. First, open your terminal and move into the Android folder inside your project. So simply type cd android. This is where the Android build files are stored. Now, before creating the APK, it's good to clean all build files. This helps avoid errors and ensures a fresh build. So type gradlew clean. Now it will take a little while, so let's wait. Alright, now we are ready to create the APK. So type gradlew assembleRelease. This command tells Gradle to build the APK in release mode, which means the app will be optimized for performance. Anyway, the process may take a few minutes depending on your system. So once it is done, your APK will be ready. Alright guys, now you can see the build successful. So where is the APK? Well, for that you need to open the Android directory first, then app, build, output, and now you can see an APK directory. Let's expand it. See, here is app release.apk, and that's it. You have successfully built an APK using React Native CLI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content.